Benelli has introduced a fresh entry to its lineup at EICMA 2024, the Leoncino Bobber 400, marking the brand's first power cruiser model within the Leoncino family. Designed with a 15-liter fuel tank, this bobber-style motorcycle carries the distinctive features of the Leoncino series, presenting a low and aggressive stance. The seat for the rider is positioned separately from the tank, and the compact aluminum tail offers space for an optional passenger seat without requiring extra supports. One unique highlight of the Leoncino Bobber 400 is its newly designed 60-degree V-twin engine, featuring a 384.5 cubic centimeter displacement, producing 34.5 horsepower and 36 newton meters of torque. With a double cradle frame, a dual shock rear suspension, and an upside-down telescopic front fork, it is built for both style and performance. Equipped with 16-inch high-profile tires, bar-end mirrors, and a round-color display, this model will come in Desert Tan Midnight Black and Onix Grey in 2025.
Leoncino Bobber indeed is match the distinctive style of Leoncino with the essence of the Bobber world. Also, this bike is crafted by our Centro Stile and is refined in every detail, conveying strength and character. The low and aggressive profile is defined by the 15-liter fuel tank with the iconic Leoncino traits that match with the sculpted line for a true muscular bike. The short aluminum tail combines styles and functionality and can support the passenger seat without additional frame. The most significant technical innovation is its V-twin engine, the first in the Benelli's history, that paying tribute to the power cruiser and give to the bike a strong character. The uniquely designed side-mounted air filter is a standout element. Both tires and premium details such as bar end mirrors, the round and minimalistic dashboard, and the slim LED light on the front give to the bike a strong character with unique style and strong personality. But it's also exciting, versatile, and easy to ride. Leoncino 400 Bobber will hit the road in spring 2025 in three colors: Desert Tan, Midnight Black, and Onix Grey, ready to redefine the two-wheel experience Benelli style.
Thank you, Roberto. Marco, now that we also know the three color options, what else can you tell us about this incredible bike?
So, in this bike, for the first time of Benelli, in the history of Benelli, we have a V-twin engine. The angle is 60 degrees between the two cylinders, and it is liquid cooled, 4-stroke, single overhead cam, and the power is 26 kilowatt and the torque is 36 newton meter. The riding position of the motorcycle is the typical position of a cruiser motorcycle, with the legs on the front, with a low seat, 730 millimeter, and a high handlebar. So it's very comfortable for the cruising. And we have also a traction control, so for better safing. And so you can cruise better, of course.